In this video we're going to go over functions. So this question, it's saying given that f of x is equals to 8x and g of x is equals to 3x minus 2 over 4, find the inverse of f of x. So f inverse of x. Now before I go any further, if you are really interested to be seeing the more videos, you can just subscribe to the channel, and or if you want to register, you can contact this number 0979 58 0034. Now without wasting much of your time, let's begin. Now they are saying find what? F inverse of x. Now how to go about this question is you first get f of x, because they are saying the inverse of f of x. So you say f of x is equals to 8x. So what you do is you say let f of x equal to y, which simply means that where there is f of x you put y, like that, and then you make x the subject of the formula. So you say over 8 over 8, like that. You divide and then you're going to remain with x is equals to y over 8, like that. Now when you're at this point, what you do is you interchange the variables. Which variables are we talking about? You're talking about x and y. So where there's x you put y, and then where there's y you put x, like that. And then you say therefore f inverse of x is equals to x over 8, like that. That is your answer, and then that becomes your answer. Now they are saying an expression for fg of x. Sometimes they might just say find the fg of x. So how do you find an expression? It is very simple as well. What you can do, you say fg of x, like that. Now here what you just have to understand is we are beginning with the f there. So the function, it is f of x, which is equals to 8x. Where there's x, they have put g of x. So g of x, more like, it is more like this. So which simply means that where there's x, they have put g of x, like that. And then what you do here, you say fg of x is equals to 8 open bracket. Now the function of g of x, it is what? It is 3x minus 2 over 4. Now when you are at this point, as you can see, 8 and 4 can enter into 8, because 4 it is down and then 8 it is on top there. This is same as over 1. Now what you do is you say you look for the number that can enter into 8 and 4. What is that number? 4 itself. So 4 into 4, it is just a 1. So we have a 1 there, and then 4 into 8, it is 2. So I have 2 open bracket 3x minus 2, because 1 into 3x minus 2 just 3x minus 2. So you say 2 multiplied by 3x, it is 6x, and then 2 multiplied by negative 2, it is negative 4. Therefore that is our expression for g of x. I mean for f g of x, like that. Now they are saying the value of x for which fg of x is equals to what? It is equals to 20. So this is very simple as well. What you can just do, you say we have found our fg of x, right, to be equal to 6x minus a 4, like that. So here what you do, you say we are finding fg of x to be equal to 20. We have already found fg of x, right, to be 6x minus 4. So you put 6x minus 4. This is equals to what? To 20. And then you say 6x minus 4. I mean, when you add 4 to the both sides, or when negative 4 goes to the other side, to be positive 4 plus 20, like that. And then you say 6x, this is equals to what? 24, like that. And then you say over 6, this is over 6, like that. And then you divide there, your x will be equal to what? Will be equal to 6 into 24, it is 4 times. Or what you can do, you can say 24 over what? Over 6. Now how many times does 6 enter into 24? I mean, you can start by looking for the number that can enter into 24 and 6. What is that number? A 3. 3 into 24, it is 8. And then 3 into 6, it is what? It is 2. And then 2 into 8, it is a 4. Therefore our answer becomes 4, like that. That is our value of x. So that's how easy are functions. Now if you want for the full video, remember I've said you can contact this number. If you have forgot about it, it is 0979580034. You get to learn more topics than functions. We also do biology, chemistry, and also physics. And then we also provide free videos, free past papers, and PDFs with solutions. You might just join our WhatsApp group through the link in the description. Thank you.